Before we put this bottle with water, this mushroom block had not pinned, but it has pinned, and in 3 days, this is how the mushrooms are growing. And then this one here is pinning, as you can see. After putting this drip irrigation, these ones here are pinning, and this one has also grown. This one has also grown. I don't know whether you can see it. Yeah, that is how it looks like. So drip irrigation, supporting mushroom growing, using drip irrigation in mushroom growing. This is how it looks like. The biggest challenge is water. It is too dry. Look at my mushroom blocks. They are pinning, as you can see. And the mycelium is very healthy. Look at that. This one is also pinning. Look at this one. And here, it is also coming out. But the biggest challenge is water. It is too dry. I really don't know what to do. All the 5 water tanks have dried up. Now we are drawing water from the stream. What do I do with my mushrooms? I need to think. So I told some children to get some bottles for me so that I can see how I can continue watering my mushroom gardens and at the same time conserving the water. I sent for some bottles and yes, they are here. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You can put them here. Let's put them here. Thank you so much. So these are the bottles that have been collected around San Martino. Well done, darling. Well done. Well done. Well done. Thank you so much. So please stay around and think with me. Thank you so much for getting me these bottles. Where did you get them from? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So we need to think of what to do with these bottles to water our mushroom gardens. I need to first sort them out. Yes, I love this one. I love this one. This is what we have done. Trying to conserve the water at the same time as we water our mushroom blocks. You can see that one is growing. Those mushrooms are growing. And yeah, it is work in progress. What we have done, we have loosened the lower end, fixed it into the block, then put some water. Put some water, opened here, and this is where we have fixed the bottle from. This is what is happening. My lovely hope is serious. There you go. Aka kayo tikakutora naiwe. Hope naiwe. Malaka kayo kakutora. Kole sakala kahata. Yeah, this is where we are. These ones have been opened. It is work in progress. We are opening the tops so that we can put some water and fix the bottles into the blocks. We hope this is going to save some water for us and at the same time keep the mushroom blocks moist. Let's see what happens. Those ones are easy to cut. Well done, my darling. Those ones are easy to cut. Easy to cut when it is not you cutting. For me, I failed to cut. These ones are hard. Not so. These ones are hard. So all of them have been opened. Nija kato tulole nkoko tukusibiraho obuti. Tubusibe buleme kuzaana. And how many mushroom blocks are these? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20. 20 mushroom blocks. And usually our farmers have 10. So if this one works, it will be a very big breakthrough for our farmers. Each mushroom block gets a bottle. Hope, please take care, eh? I love your hair. Hope, I love your hair. When you have a problem, always find a way of solving it. So this is how the final product looks like. And yeah, those are the mushrooms. And this is how it looks like. And now, this takes me to growing mushrooms in your office. This is a very nice irrigation system for your bucket if you have it in office. Huh? Yeah. And by the way, we expect this water to also spread by osmosis. Look at what is happening. So you people, you can finalize. Go on and do your things. Otasara obutuzi okabusara. Ati tujja kubudubula tukubusumuuraho katiito hansi. Amaizi nigaba nigarabamu. We've not pierced the bottles down. We just loosened the lids and water is passing through. Innovative mushroom growing. Hope omusiri gwina kuba gwikalira omunda. I mean echupa ina kutaha omunda. If it needs raising it, it has to go into the substrate. Eh? Nuko amaizi gataraba haiguru. Aha. Tuija gwimukiamu. Kande kitabaza kirema abazi. Tuina gwimukiamu. Akituteka ikibomboli. Ati bwe gamba high temperature no gireka. Tasara mycelium. Is it working out? Yeah, it will work. It will work. It will work.